Hello everyone, welcome to HGTECH live stream. This is Lavender, and now we are instead of the Istanbu Expo Center. Why am I here? Let's follow me. Go. Sphere has reached 35,000 square meters, and there are more than 500 exhibitors from 17 countries. Okay, so now let's move to our booth. Follow me. Okay, and this is Hall 5. We have two booths here, B140 and A110. And this booth behind me is Omega. Omega is one of our partner in Turkey. Okay, let's a short interview for them. Let's go. The boss is there. Hello, Miss Kare. How are you today?
I'm very good today. Thank you very much. How about you?
Very good. Perfect. And I'm very happy to meet you again.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, can you just share what's the most attractive point for you to choose our HGTECH?
Well, HGTECH is such a good company with such a very good products. And the products are really good, and we are proud to sell HGTECH.
Thank you very much. And can you share what's your plan to extend your business in the future?
Well, steadily we are extending in Turkey everywhere. Actually, we sold most of the places, but of course the quality is improving itself as much as the machines are in the market. So we will grow. We are expecting a big growth.
Okay, thank you very much. We will grow together. Okay. Okay. So at last, what would you want to say to our audience?
I would like to thank for all HGTECH employees, managers, and everybody for their support giving to us. And I would like to have a very good success together.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's say bye-bye to our audience. Bye.